A quick last rapid fire for all the panelists. Are you ready, panelists? I'm going to throw up one brand amongst all the sports people that you know of in India. I mean, anybody in India, whichever, whether it's hockey or I hope it's hockey too. Tennis, we all know who the players are. Cricket, of course, there's a huge deluge of them. Any other, kho-kho, whatever you can think of. Tell us the name of one person that comes to your mind. Shall we start with you, Ayaz?
Yeah, I mean, Tendulkar, obviously.
No, but I'm going to give you a brand. You tell me who fits to it. Okay? You can see the bias for cricket and Sachin here. Okay? All right. Are we going to start off here? Let's start with you. The first one to you. Apple.
Sorry?
Apple.
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid. Okay? Apple, Rahul Dravid. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. Actually, the speech that he made in Melbourne was very similar to what Steve Jobs made in the Stanford University. Actually, you're quite right. Yeah. Yeah. Very true. Very true. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to keep my panelists guessing. So if Atul is waiting for the next one, it's not coming to him. Okay? Mohita is coming to you. Coke, your most friendly drink. Coke has to be?
Has to be Sachin, right?
Has to be Sachin. Really?
He stood for Coke for the longest time.
All right. Bad luck for you, Amir Khan. Okay. For you, sir. Google.
For all the sports person.
All right, you can search everybody and everybody there at any point of time.
Because every layman also watches what they are doing in the...
Okay, I'll take that one. Since he mentioned burgers, I'm going to throw this to Atul. McDonald's?
Sehwag, for sure.
Is it the mayonnaise and the deep fried fat?
No, if it was something like Walker's Lay's, then I would have said Tiger Woods.
All right. Somebody's in a wicked mood here. Rajiv, coming to you. BMW?
BMW.
Quicker one.
Maybe a bit of Virat Kohli and Sachin mixed.
Oh boy, that would be a deadly hybrid. I'm not even trying to speculate on that.
I will never buy that car, ever.
No, but if they have a partnership, we might lose the match.
All right, coming to you, Mohita, back again. Disney?
Disney would be this guy Srishant, who used to throw all these tantrums.
I thought that came with a slap.
I'd still say...
Okay, so Disney, fair enough. All right. Coming to you, Ayaz, Microsoft?
Does it have to be only Indian sports person?
Yeah, Indian. We're talking about Indians. I'm giving you global brands looking at which Indian sports person fits in.
Microsoft. Saurav Ganguly.
Saurav Ganguly. All right.
Well, I would like to find the reason
I would
for
like
that.
to. I think you want to quiz him. Why? Why Saurav Ganguly from Microsoft?
Is it because is he soft?
Is it because he's got an Xbox somewhere?
He brooks no competition. He destroys everybody.
All right. Okay. Don't tell that to Google. They won't like that. Okay. And one more to you, Dhanraj. Toyota. And please don't say all the sports.
No, I think Toyota will be Sandeep Singh.
Sandeep Singh. Now, question to the audience. Who is Sandeep Singh? Tricky one. Absolutely. So, Toyota, Sandeep Singh. Okay, and to the last one, and a quick one. Percept.
Percept would
Dhanraj. Why I am telling? Because last 15-20 years I am associated with Percept, and they have done a lot for sports.
Yeah, I know.
And it is not that I am telling in front of audience.
You can say he's perceptive.
From heart I am telling they have done a lot for sports person, and I am a Percept man.
Perfect.